Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung account is signed in because Restore links to that account. Once signed in, connect to reliable Wi-Fi and ensure battery is healthy to avoid interruptions. Open Settings, tap Accounts and Backup, then Samsung Cloud to access backup options. You're now at the Restore entry point where you can see available backup dates and device names. Make sure you pick the backup that matches the device and date you want to recover from before proceeding. Once you tap Restore Data, choose the correct device backup from the list so you don't pull the wrong snapshot. Next, pick specific data types, contacts, messages, photos, settings, and app data to limit restore time. This also avoids overriding recent items you want to keep. After selecting, press Restore and monitor progress. Keep the screen on and stay on Wi-Fi. The process replays saved system settings and app states, so apps and layout return to the backed-up configuration. When Restore completes, verify contacts, gallery, messages, and device settings to confirm everything transferred. You may need to reopen apps to see updated content. If items are missing, make sure you pick the correct backup date and retry restoring only the missing categories so you avoid re-downloading everything. If syncing stalls, force a sync. Go to Settings, Accounts, Samsung Account, and Sync now. This forces cloud-to-device reconciliation and usually resolves partial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.